So we have a number array, which is int type, and we have char array, which is of char type. So this has APPLE, which is 3, 2, so 5 elements, and you have 3 elements in it. So the size of this is going to be 2, and the size of this is going to be 4. So let's try to print this thing and see what they are trying to print. So when I'm trying to print the number, let's run this. I get a memory address. Okay, so let's try to print the char array, which is alpha, and try to print. So it prints a string of apple and it doesn't print a memory address. So the reason for this is in Java, the println method supports a overloaded functionality, which is when you're going to pass a char array, let's say, so the char array alpha, if this is going to be the parameter, right? So this is not how you actually pass. So this, when this gets going to be passed to that method, it is going to give me an output of string. And the reason is this method is println method is overloaded only to support char array. When the char array is going to be input, your output is going to be string. That is the very reason. And the most core reason for that kind of design is they wanted to have the convenience for the developers whenever there is going to be a group of strings, which is basically word. A word is basically a string. So that is a core designing ideology for having the println method to overload a char of array and give the result as string.